We will have to reuse water in the future. That's a fact because of the increasing stresses of climate change and population growth. And I think the more that we can normalize water reuse for people now, the better off we'll be in the future. People are interested in water reuse, but there's still some barriers. And one of those barriers is this visceral emotional response, which is technically called the yuck factor. And the yuck factor means that people have this immediate negative response when they think about recycled water. How do we move past that emotional response? Because water reuse will be necessary. We have two phases of the project. Phase one has been people go to Ed Bernat's lab and they are hooked up to EEG. Then on a screen, they are shown different water reuse terms. These are terms like recycled water, reclaimed water, water reuse, pure water, eco water, and we measured their brain reaction to each of those terms. Then they're shown two promotional videos which talk about the success of water reuse in Maryland. Then after they're shown the water reuse terms a second time, and during this whole time we're measuring the brain responses. And what we're seeing really is that we are changing people's responses to those water reuse terms with those promotional videos. Phase two is where we're looking at those natural environmental beauty images. So images that have been shown to reduce people's stress, and see if when we show people images or videos of a beautiful natural scene, if it reduces their anxiety and then they become more receptive to water reuse. I think my understanding was if it's an emotional response, then you also have to address people through big emotions. But really what the phase one of this project is showing, that maybe really information packaged in an attractive way can also impact how people think about water reuse.